वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। टुडे हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक रिसेंट रिसर्च के बारे में, वो है पखल और वाटर राइस। ओके, a recent research of our AIIMS Bhubaneswar said that the water rice or that pakhal having a heavy nutritional value and a power to fight against the pathogen, and we can say that this is a very good immune food for us. Okay, how? See here, then in this video we have to discuss how it will be made, or what is the procedure of preparation of that water rice. After that we are able to know what is the, by which manner, or by what is the main funda behind the rice and water rice, and how that water rice is so much effective for us to increase our immune system. Okay, as we are Odia, and if we go any house of Odia, they are very acquainted with that term pakhal, because this is a general food or daily food of a Odia. Okay, and maximum times that water rice is your a heavy meal for a Odia, and we can say that as we are Odia, this pakhal is very delicious, very delicious. Okay, so the recent analysis of AIIMS Bhubaneswar says that pakhal having a heavy nutritional value, having a very immunity value also. Okay, how? See here, first we have to go into is preparation is simple preparation, nothing to do. First we have to cook rice, and after cooking rice we have to put water. After putting water we have to remain undisturbed for 48 hours, and if you want then you can take it also more. Okay, by this rice is converted to, by this process, that general rice or cooking rice converted to water rice. This is the general process of making the rice. Okay, rice to water rice. Then tell me one thing, how that rice is converted to water rice, and this is very effective. As we know, the rice only contain the carbohydrate which gives us energy, but that water rice having so much nutritional value, so much immunitical value, then how it will be happen from that rice to water rice? What will be the changes occur in that time, in that 48 hours? Okay, see here, after we put that rice into water, that carbohydrate converts to where? Carbohydrate converts to short chain of fatty acid. Okay, that convert to short chain of fatty acid, and that short chain of fatty acid present in that solvent. In Odia this is called Torani. Okay, this is called Torani, and this is very effective for us. And that short chain of fatty acid having a very good nutritional value, as a strong, also used as a strong immunity. Okay, let it. Then tell me one thing again, how it will be happen that carbohydrate convert to short chain of fatty acid? After preserving that for 48 hours, a bacteria called as the lactobacillus, that is the bacteria which convert that carbohydrate to short chain of fatty acid, which is present at solvent Torani, and that lactobacillus bacteria does a process which is called fermentation which does that carbohydrate to short chain of fatty acid. This is the analysis of our Bhubaneswar's AIIMS. Okay, this is the recent analysis. Okay, that's why I have to study about this from different kind of news, and after that I have to go for that video. Okay, see here. After that, what happened? After this is the mechanism how that cooking rice convert to water rice. This is this is done by our the people. But what is the process? This process is known as the fermentations doing by the bacteria lactobacillus, which takes 48 hours, by which that carbohydrate present in the rice converted to short chain of fatty acid. Okay, and that solvent, the Torani, converted actually that solvent, the Torani, having that short chain of fatty acid. Okay, and this is most important for us to having that nutrition value and a strong immunity. Okay, see here. Then what happened? What is the advantages? See here. According to our study of that AM says that this is having a great nutritional value. See here, and this is used by fighting against pathogen. First of all, next important thing, this is a very good maternal food. Maternal food, that means when a female in time of pregnancy, if it take, then it will be take to a very good maternal status or maternal health conditions. And second thing was, it also grows our fetus rapidly. Okay, and healthy also, having a great impact on fetus. Okay, I'll tell you what is fetus. Fetus is the unborn child what present inside the I'll take a special class about this. Okay, specially this will be huge class. This is class of 1 hour or more than 1 hour. Okay, so this is some advantages of pakhal or water rice in our day-to-day life. But genuinely we also know that the hydrate our body, we consume it at the time of summer, okay, and the persons who always take that pakhal and goes to a field for agriculture, he does not affect any type of disease, viral disease, any type of cold, any type of fever. I think because of this immunity system, okay, that we recently discovered by our AIIMS. Okay, so this is a short video on pakhal or water rice, which is discovered recently. So our main topic will be our comes after some time or comes next day. Okay, that's all for today.